The Fly series just got a flagship. The Azimut Fly 82 debuted at Cannes as the largest Flybridge Azimut builds and the first in the series with Deck2Deck, built by Azimut in Italy. Carbon fiber construction across hull and superstructure cuts weight by up to 30% over comparable builds. Naval architecture by Pierluigi Ausonio, exterior design from Alberto Mancini, interiors by Fabio Fantolino. 3 Volvo Penta IPS pod drives, standard at 900 horsepower each, optional up to 1,000, 2,700 to 3,000 horsepower total. Top speed 32 knots, cruise at 25 knots, 345 nautical miles range on 1,506 gallons of fuel, 81 feet 4 inches overall, 19 feet 3-inch beam, 5 feet 7-inch draft, displacement just under 70 tons, carried on a carbon fiber superstructure. The first Fly model with Deck2Deck, the transom lifts to meet the aft deck, opening a full waterfront terrace at anchor. Triple IPS pod propulsion brings active trim control and joystick docking. An integrated Garmin system monitors every function from a single display. Every hull is Category A certified, NMMA compliant, and validated by Lloyd's Register. Inside, 4 guest cabins plus crew quarters, 5 heads and a crew head, sleeping 10 across the vessel. The main salon opens wide to natural light and sea view on both sides. Bottom line, the Fly 82 is Azimut's flagship statement. Flagship engineering and true outdoor living without stepping up to a super yacht. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.